Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. Welcome back to another video. Today, look what I got. I'm going to be doing another cereal review. This time it's Trix. So, because I love these cereal when I was a kid. I usually like the fruity ones, like the mixed up ones, like the silly rabbit, Trix are for kids guy. Yeah, that guy, the rabbit. So, he wanted to eat some Trix, but the kids always beat him to it. So, guys, here we go. Take a first bite. Let's take another bite. It tastes fruity. And mixed in with milk. I give this one a 6 out of 10. Because it tastes fruity, but then mixed with milk. I know my taste is a little different. So anyways, guys, what cereal do you want me to do a review on? Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, guys, I'll see you all next time. Have a good day. Peace.